Hey there fam, welcome back to my channel where we deep dive into all things career and personal development. Today we are going to talk about something that might be on the minds of many young individuals out there, the SSB interview. So let's get started. First thing first, what does SSB stand for? Well, it stands for Service Selection Board. It's an assessment conducted by the Indian Armed Forces to select candidates for officer roles in the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Now, the SSB interview is a comprehensive evaluation that aims to test your personality, leadership potential, and suitability for a career in the defense forces. It consists of multiple stages spread over a few days. The first stage is the screening process. Here, your intelligence and aptitude are tested through written exams. If you clear this stage, you move on the next phase. The second stage focuses on psychological tests. This test assess your personality traits, problem solving abilities, and decision making skills. It includes tasks like picture perception and description test, word association test, and more. The third stage is all about group testing. You will be participating in the various group activities like group discussion, group planning exercises, outdoor tasks, and individual obstacles. This stage evaluates your teamwork, communication skill, and ability to handle the pressure. The fourth stage is the personal interview. Here, you will face a panel of experts who will assess your knowledge, confidence, and suitability for an officer role. It's crucial to be well prepared and showcase your true potential. Finally, the last stage and fifth stage is the conference. All the assessors gather to discuss the finalize the selection of candidates based on their performance throughout the process. And there you have it, the SSB interview in a nutshell. It's a challenging yet rewarding journey that can open doors to an incredibly fulfilling career in the defense forces. Remember, success comes to those who are determined, confident, and prepared. So if you are aspiring to join Indian Armed Forces, give it your all and let your true potential shine. That's it for today video. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe more for content on career guidance and personal growth. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing your dream. Take care. Thank you.